What's up guys, welcome to SMK Tech. Yes, today I will give a verdict on KDM WONDERBOOM speaker, which is far better than JBL Go and JBL Go 2. This speaker gets a 3-watt speaker and a bass radiator at the bottom. It also gets a Bluetooth version 4.2, which is far better than JBL Go but not JBL Go 2. It gets a 500 mAh battery which gives a playtime around 6 hours with 80% volume, and at full volumes it gives around 5 hours of playback time. Considering JBL Go, it sounds powerfully, giving a punching bass which can be felt easily. Before getting to the sound test, please put on your earphones for better experience, and let's enjoy the sound test. So guys, let's enjoy the bass now. What a punchy bass, guys. It moves around by producing so much of vibration, and also it moves my table. This is how powerful it is. Feel the bass, guys. I hope guys you have got the sound test of this speaker. Before ending the video guys, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and also press the notification icon for better results. And I want to tell you that I have purchased this speaker from a shop worth 1000 rupees, and yes, it is worth 1000 rupees. I was not able to compare JBL Go with this speaker because I have lost my JBL Go. So in my opinion, this sounds much better than JBL Go, and also it gives a battery backup same as JBL Go. So in my opinion, you may go for it. So thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.